Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Speed Freaks Warhammer game, and I'm gonna show you how to change brightness level on this game. So brightness level adjusts the overall lightness of the image, so you should open settings. To do that, just click on the gear icon and click settings. Afterwards, here, just scroll down and find here brightness level is here, and you can change it up to 100%, but I don't recommend you move it more than 50-55% because it can hurt experience of playing game. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you. Don't forget to click on space button to save changes in the game. Bye.